Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to install Bing Wallpaper app. So for those of you that are on Windows 10 or were previously on Windows 10 and moved to Windows 11, this is an app that you would be able to go into your wallpapers, and you would see an option where you can say Bing Wallpapers, and it would just curate these cool nature, landscape, cool photos throughout the day for you, or each day you would have a new wallpaper. And with Windows 11, it looks like they moved this into an actual app, and it's not actually automatically part of your desktop screensavers or wallpapers. So in order to get this, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Microsoft Store. And once it launches here, give it a second. We're going to type in Bing. We're going to hit Bing Wallpaper. And then so just make sure you see Microsoft Corporation, otherwise it might be from another company, and I would recommend using the Microsoft one. So we're going to go ahead and click install. You might see a thing that says download. Either one will work. So it's going to go ahead and install the app on my computer. Right now, it has gone ahead and installed the app. Close out of that. Looks like it's loading. There we go. Yes, let's try it. And so this is basically what the app looks like right here. So, okay, you can kind of go through the prompts. And then as you can see, they have different wallpapers. Now you can also choose different themes. So they have different themes: Bing, abstract, if you like cats, dogs, flowers, ocean, space, travel. So they have a bunch of different themes. The Bing one is pretty good. It kind of curates a bunch of different stuff, but if you are a cat person or love art, you can hit abstract, and then it's going to take a second to kind of load that. And there we go. So, and then it's going to kind of show you what other abstract photos will be coming or have already been selected. And that is how you can use the Bing wallpaper. If you're interested in just having your wallpaper change every day, every other day, there are some settings you can also go into if you want. So you can say change daily, refresh daily, or not. Show AI images if you want. Top right. And then that's basically, you just got a few options, so not too many, but that is the Bing Wallpaper app. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.